period of time. Not with this kind of cold coming into Texas tonight. Let me show you what's going on outside. Clouds and radar indicating we do have quite a bit of cloud cover. That's the satellite giving us that picture. I'm not seeing any big pockets of drizzle, but that certainly is possible this morning. Drizzle and fog, both a possibility with that surge of moisture courtesy of these southerly winds, but that changes big time tonight. Cold front's already in the state. We are talking teens in the panhandle this morning. Out ahead of it, we have widespread 50s here in central Texas. Now, today's high temperatures briefly touching 60s. I put that arrow there just to indicate temperatures will come down quickly once that cold front passes. A little earlier in the hill country. I'm expecting that to be early afternoon, probably early evening here in Austin. That 30% chance of rain comes before this cold front. So when we play out our future cast here, you're noticing a lot of cloud cover, some rain filling in, probably Highway 281 eastward. We've got that better chance of picking up some light rainfall. But as this thing comes in, that moisture gets pushed out. It's possible we squeeze out just a couple snowflakes and sleet pellets as this moisture is moving out and the cold air catches up. If this does happen, I would love to know. So hill country, if you can snap a quick pic, I'm curious to see if we could actually get that going, because with the drier air coming through, I think there's going to be a quick transition from this light rain to just plain old cold and windy weather. That being said, the wind chills will be a huge deal when we hit the afternoon and that cold front already starts to sink through. Look at the feels like temperatures in the northwest hill country, already sub-freezing, and this continues to move south, that cold front. So by the time I see you tomorrow morning, wind chills in the single digits and teens. In fact, we could see some areas close to zero with that wind chill. That being said, a cold weather advisory starts midnight tonight, continues until noontime tomorrow. The wind chills, I think, will be worse tomorrow, but the coldest of the air comes in Thursday morning. So that cold weather advisory becomes an extreme cold watch. It gets upgraded to the most severe alert we've got when it comes to that extreme cold, because this watch will probably be a warning by the time I see you as we get into Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Here's where we expect those actual air temperatures to dip down to the teens and 20s, not even accounting for the little bit of wind that gets left over. So 26 tomorrow morning with those brutal wind chills, 20 Thursday, 20s and 30s heading into the weekend. What's important to know is we got a little bit of rain today, a little bit of rain late Friday into Saturday. Because of that, it's possible some water left over on the roads refreezes overnight into that morning. So that's why we could see some spot icing tomorrow morning and Saturday morning. But we know TxDOT has been out there treating some of those trouble spots already, some of the elevated surfaces. So we really aren't looking at a high icing threat at all with this scenario. But I can't promise you there won't be any ice, just because we do have a little bit of rain coming in ahead of those cold nights. So it's a 30% chance of rain today, 65 briefly this afternoon, down to the 20s tonight. Brutal wind chills tomorrow morning, still a wind chill to factor in for Thursday morning. Friday into Saturday, some scattered rain, got a coastal low in the Gulf that I think is going to throw a little bit of moisture at us. But finally, late weekend into next week, temperatures getting a little bit more comfortable in the 60s and 70s. Erica?
All right.